Okay, here we go. Here's question 7 on the calculator paper. The question says, here is a shape, so there's that shape. Draw all the lines of symmetry on this shape. So the lines of symmetry, they want us to draw them on this shape. Now this shape is best described as, well, it's sort of rectangular in shape, but it has these cutouts at the end. So it's similar to a rectangle, and a rectangle has two lines of symmetry. So I'm going to draw the first line of symmetry that goes across there. Right, I notice I made an effort to try to draw it halfway, and make sure you do that in your exam. Yeah, don't try to draw it too skew-if, because then it wouldn't look as if it can fold on itself. And here's the second line of symmetry. Okay, so there are two lines of symmetry on this shape. A hint is the mark, right? You're getting 2 marks for the 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, then going on to part B. Here is a regular hexagon. A regular means all the sides are the same length, all the angles are the same length. So the word regular is important in here. The question says, write down the order of rotational symmetry. Write down the order of rotational symmetry. Now the order of rotational symmetry of a shape is the number of times you could spin this shape. The number of times when you spin this shape around, it actually overlaps onto itself. Now you could use tracing paper for this, right? But I think a lot of people will sort of know this straight off without having to use the tracing paper. But I'm just going to show it here with the tracing paper. So I've just traced around the shape, and that there is the bottom of the shape. And if I said that that was the center, what I want to do is I want to spin this around 1 full turn and count how many times it actually overlaps onto itself. So turning it around, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I've got the line back at the bottom, that's 6. So in 1 full turn, it overlaps itself 6 times. Now, it's 6. Again, you could have done that straight away because it's a regular hexagon, right? Because it's a regular, all the sides and the angles are the same, so it does overlap itself. This is a really popular type of question where you're asked to find the rotational symmetry of a shape. Make sure you do understand this and get all the marks here.